guys like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You don't want to spend $50 on this fancy ice parrot light here. I'm going to teach you how to make one real quick. So you just get a cheap extension cord, then you splice on one of these lamp holders like electricians use when they're roughing in a house, and then you screw in one of these RV light bulbs. It's a 12 volt, and you can get these at any big box store. Then all you got to do, get some of these Amazon M12 batteries. That plug happens to be the exact same size. Plug that in. Now you got a light you can use anywhere.